And math is all that is surrounding you. Math is so much more than 2 plus 2. You can understand it. Take that number and divide it. Math was made for me and you.
Alright, if you were given x squared plus 8x minus 20 equals 0 and you're asked to solve. Remember, the word solve means you have x equals. You want x equal to some kind of number. Okay, so you have your formula sheets. We're going to move the c value, and then we're going to complete the square. Whatever we get, we're going to do that to both sides so that equals 0, and then we'll solve it by the square root property. I'm going to draw a line down the equal sign. We're going to move the c value to the right side. So now I'm left with x squared plus 8x equals 20. I'm going to go ahead and complete the square here. So whatever I have on this side, we do this side. So that formula is completing the square. This is b over 2 squared. It is not negative b over 2a. That is for standard form, graphing, finding the vertex. Okay? Class, what is my b value? So we're going to put 8 on the numerator. Class, half of 8 is, and 4 squared is 16. So in your packets you were doing something like solve for a c value. Well, in that case you just put it on both sides. Plus 16, plus 16. The reason why you have to add it to both sides, it happened to me once and the district wasn't happy. They overpaid me. Do you think the district was happy overpaying me $2,000? Yeah. No, they were not happy. I was happy, so guess what their lawyers did? They wanted the money back. So they wanted a minus $2,000 from my bank account. So I had to write them a check. Very painful. Okay, so that equals 0. Here we're just going to do factoring. You can use the Xbox method of factoring if you like. Class, a times c is, your b value is, tell your partner two numbers that multiply to be 16 and add to be 8. It is 4. Class, do I need to do the box? Your a value is 1, you don't need the box. Even if you did do the box, you would still get the same answer. So again, if you're stuck, keep going and do the box. So x plus 4, x plus 4. 20 plus 16 is 36. I have two of these expressions. What does that mean? We're going to square it. To get rid of the power of 2, you're going to have to do what? Okay, pay attention. It's not just the square root, but your next step you have to have plus or minus. A plus or minus. So you're left with, this is gone, x plus 4 equals, grading your test, it looks really bad. No, not bad, really bad. You have a pair. These pairs come out. Where do they go? Outside. The square root of 36 is 6. I'm going to subtract 4. This will equal 0. You'll have negative 4 plus or minus 6. Again, right here you can choose to make two equations, or I just use my finger. Negative 4 plus 6 is 2. And negative 4 minus 6 is 10. Okay. So we just solved it. That basically means you got x by itself. You can take these numbers and put it back into the original equation and find that they're true.
Finding yourself bored and numb? Well, no worries. 'Cause now you can get the all-new Ink Pods. So now you can listen to math on the go or on the road. So why stall? Get the all-new Ink Pods today.